How to add payment methods on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to add payments on your Wix website. It's really easy to do, and all you need is to create an account on wix.com and then create a new website. So just click create new website, and I'm going to show you what to do. So it's going to tell us that you can start a chat and create a website by the AI technology, but we are not going to do it. We just click on setup without the chat, and the next thing we need to type what type of website we are going to have. So if you want to add payment methods, I'd rather add an online store right now as an example. So just click continue, add. It's going to prepare our homepage, our dashboard, and the next step, we need to create a name for this website. So just name it how you want it to name it. So it's going to load it. Okay, so start setting up your store. I'm going to name it the best store and click continue. So it's going to ask you, do you already have an online store? I just click here, no, I'm just starting out. And if you have an online store, click on yes, I'm already selling online. So then just click continue, and it's going to, you need to wait a bit for it to load all the information for you. Okay, so it's going to ask you what kind of products are you selling. You can sell the physical products, drop shipping products, services, digital products, print on demand products. So here we are going to sell physical products, then click continue. How you're offering your products, it will let them manage all your sales channels in one place. So we are just creating an online store. So then click continue. Okay, we are all set. Click on continue to dashboard. Next step you need to do is to choose a template for your website. So click right here on design site. Okay, so then you have two variants how to do it. How would you like to design your website, by an AI technology or by choosing a template? So we are going to pick a template, and right now we are in the browser of the template. So as you can see, wix.com is offering us a couple of beautiful templates that you can choose. They are free, so you just choose by your heart what you like the most. As for me, I like this one, so just click on edit, and the editor's page is going to load in seconds. So we just need to wait a bit for it to load. Okay, it's preparing our website right now. As you can see, our website is ready. Enhance your AI content, we are not going to do it. So just wait a bit for it to load all the things. So right now we are on the editor's page. You can see that you can add elements here, add sections, see the pages and menu, site design, add apps, and a lot of things. So here you just edit your website. As you can see, there are section with the products that you are going to sell. So just click on it and manage your products, add them into the dashboard. Okay, so in seconds it's going to load a bit. When you are ready making your website, just click on publish, and it's going to be published. So I clicked on manage the products, it's going to load it right now. Okay, so our website is published and live online. So when you're already editing it, add your products right here. So as you can see, there are an example products that are being edited into our website. So, and right now I'm going to show you how to add payment methods. So it's really easy to do. We are right now on the dashboard of our website. Just click on here, getting paid. Then here you need to click connect payment method, and here you can see that what you can connect. So here you choose how to receive payments from customers. You can use the Stripe, so it allows you to accept credit and debit card payments. You can see what the cards are in use here. You can also connect a PayPal, so it will allow you to accept PayPal and pay later payments. And there is also an option to allow you to accept cash, check, or other custom forms of payment. So for example, just click here on Stripe Connect, and it's going to load the page to connect a Stripe. So click connect to sign into your Stripe account. Once signed into your Stripe account, so here you just need to connect your account with the Wix.com. It's really easy to do. There are Stripe fees, as you know, so credit and debit cards from 1.4% plus 25 euro per transaction. So it's really easy to connect the payment method. You just then click connect. It's going to walk you to the Stripe. So as you can see, connectstripe.com is loading right now. I don't really want to connect my Stripe account to this website because it is an example. You here type your email address if you have a Stripe account, or you can create a new one for additional one for your website, so you can add payments right here. So guys, it's really easy to accept payments with the Wix.com, and right now I'm going to show you the plans that Wix.com is going to offer us. So as you can see right now, they have 50% discounts. They are offering us 4 plans. The first one is light, it costs 13 euro. Next one is core. Right now it costs like a light one. With the 50% discount it costs 13 euro. It have cost 26 euro. The best opportunity is the business one. It costs 20 euro per month right now, and the business elite one will cost you 89 euro per month. Okay guys, so I hope this video have helped you. Please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.